Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we've got an exciting topic that we would like to cover because it is one of our most requested topic that we have read in the comments and feedback section of our channel. And that is how to make Cash App without social security number or SSN. Is it possible? Is it not possible? We will discuss in this video. But before all of it, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out to any of our latest content. Okay, you won't see that information on the Cash App mobile device, but first, you might want to go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but cashapp.com, the official website, is compatible to any type of browser. If you are using Brave, Safari, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, it's okay. And then I suggest you go and hover to the help center, all right, where it says, why do I need to verify my identity? So basically, you can open up a Cash App without your social security number. But the problem is if you are sending or receiving more than $1,000 over a 30-day rolling period, you are required for an identity verification process, and you will be asked for your legal name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your SSN, and there's no workaround on that. I hate to break it to you guys, but that's the way it is. So in some cases, it says here the Cash App may also request for your full residential address, unexpired government issued photo ID, and whatnot. So I suggest you read all of this terms and conditions and understand. But for the most part, there's no workaround for it. But you can still create an Cash App without the SSN. But the problem is there's limitations, and that limitations would require your SSN. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.